Before y'all watch the video, I just want to give a quick disclaimer. I do not condone cheating or being the side piece of any kind. Cheating is always wrong. If you feel like you want to cheat, it shouldn't be with the person that you're in a relationship with. That's how I feel about it. Obviously, this story time takes place over 10 years ago, so I've matured since then. And I just wanted to give y'all my perspective from how I was thinking back then. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Hey you guys, I'm back with another one. I want to come and give y'all a story time because I know it's been a while. I uploaded the video of Kat's bath routine maybe about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I think it was 2 weeks ago. But don't mind this damn scarf that's on my vanity. I did that because you can see my ring lights in the mirror and it gives off a glare, and I didn't want y'all to have to deal with it. I didn't want to have to deal with this, so whatever. Okay, so as y'all know from the title, I was a side chick at one point in time. Now this took place my sophomore year of high school. It just give y'all a little background on the dude. What can we call him? We'll call him Ray. Ray and I had previously been in a relationship for 2 years. He had moved to my town from New Orleans, which is about three and a half hours away from where I'm from. After Hurricane Katrina, he came and he moved up there, and that's how we met. And so we continued our relationship for about 2 years, and then that's when his family decided to move back, and from that point the relationship ended. Fast forward to my 10th grade year. So I had a boyfriend, he had a girlfriend. We would still talk off and on because we were still friends. Even though we had dated for 2 years, it was still love there, you know? So I didn't want to completely cut him out of my life. One day we were talking and he was like, oh, I still love you. The only reason why we're not together is because I'm not up there. I miss you so much. All this good shit, right? So I was like, yeah, but I got a dude, you got a girl. Like, no, dude, this ain't what you want. He was like, I want you to be my girl again. And of course I'm side-eyeing like, how the fuck this gonna work out? Like, but he was like, no, I'm gonna try to come see you as much as I can, and we can make this work. In the back of my head, I'm like, you got a whole girlfriend. I didn't give a fuck about my boyfriend at the time because he was getting on my nerves anyway. He was irrelevant at that point. Boom, we start dating again. I know y'all probably thinking, bitch, he got a whole girlfriend, like, and she down there with his ass. Like, you don't know what they doing. I did, but I figured since, you know, I had my own thing going on, he couldn't, you know. I don't fucking know. Red flag number one. Alright, so the dude I was dating at the time, he was on the football team. So of course, he would want me to come support him in certain things. I remember I was talking to Ray. Was that the fucking name? Yeah, Ray. And I was like, yeah, my boyfriend got this thing going on or whatever. I'm gonna go and be with him today, so I won't be able to talk to you like that. Oh shit. He lost it. He was like, you always doing shit with that nigga. You always doing all that. Okay, I get it. That's my boyfriend. You decide, dude. Okay? So he got extremely pissed. And I was like, wait a minute. You know, you got a girlfriend. I'm pretty sure y'all do shit that you don't tell me about. At least I have respect enough to tell you what I'm going to be doing and why I'm not going to be talking to your ass. We didn't talk for the rest of the day. Alright. He eventually got over the shit. But that should have been a sign to me. Like, hey, bitch. what are you doing? The weeks or whatever go by. Da da da. Okay. He wants to come and visit me. So I'm like, okay. The thing is, his mom still lived in the city where I live. That's the excuse he used to his girlfriend. He's like, oh, I'm just going to go see my mom, you know. Meanwhile, he told me the weekend he was coming up. And I made sure, well, at that point, I had to have my boyfriend shit anyway, because he didn't care, I didn't care. I don't even know why we were together at that point. It was just a fucking mess. He came up there. And so he called me. He was like, oh, I want to see you. We can go to the movies. We can go out to eat. You know, anything like that. I'm not stupid. He didn't come all this way just to watch a fucking movie with me. So, you know, I already knew what was going to go down. I'm not going to go into details, but I'm pretty sure y'all get the picture. I get my cousin. I'm like, hey, old boy in town, you know. Can you drop me off and go see him? And he was like, cool, yeah, I can do that. He had his own, you know, girls he wanted to go see, so he didn't give a fuck about dropping me off. So I go over there. It gets straight to the point. It was like, hey, how you doing? Zip. Oh, okay. Well, I left. I didn't have plans to come see him again for the rest of that weekend. I was just like, dude, seeing you once was enough. Red flag number 2, he got extremely pissed again. Which, this time I kind of see, because he didn't come out that way to come see me per se. But I was also like, your mom's here. You can spend the next day with her. Y'all can do whatever. No, I came up here to be with you. You wasting my time and shit. I'm like, just get mad over every fucking thing. I didn't wind up seeing him again. We did talk. We text. He went back home. That next week comes around. We're texting, talking. We're texting as usual. Every morning, he would text me all day, every fucking day. Sometimes I forgot he even had a girlfriend. At this point, I had broke up with old dude because he was trash. I know I was trash, but he didn't know I was trash. So, yeah. Now, mind you, this was back in, like, 2010, 2011, where you could have a little signature block under your text messages. He wanted to wait till the end of the day and put his name, his girlfriend's name, and forever in the signature block. And he sent me a text message. So I saw the shit. I was like, dude, what the fuck are you doing? Like, what is this? And he was like, what you talking about? Like, I'm like, yo, signature block. Don't act dumb. I see the shit. He was like, oh, you know, that's my girl or whatever. What you getting mad for? You knew I had a girl. You knew what this was. I was like, ha. Okay, you want to be disrespectful as shit. So, of course, I was all in my feelings, you know, because I thought he had more respect for me than that. We just had this romantic night the other night, you know, and then he would have pulled this shit. I was hurt. Of course. Yeah. From that day on, we didn't really talk like that. I was like, you know, fuck him.
Fuck you, nigga. Come on, cut, look, nigga. You can get from my ear with all that other shit, nigga.
And he finally texted me, like, hey, I need to talk to you. I'm like, all right, cool. Give me a few minutes. I'll call you. So I called him. I'm like, okay, what's up? And he was like, he had told his girlfriend what he actually came and did while he was up by me. He was just distraught. He was like, I hurt her so bad. Oh my God, like, I never want to hurt her like that. I'm sitting here like, why are you telling me this? Like, now, I'm not just a cold-hearted bitch. You know, I feel bad for her. But I'm like, dude, you knew you had a girlfriend when we were doing what we were doing. So what the fuck you crying for now? Yeah, they broke up. And I did feel bad for her. I was like, she didn't deserve that. But you know, I wasn't really thinking about her. I didn't know her. She wasn't my girlfriend, you know. That's on him. So from that point, I like, look, I can't do this anymore, you know. You down there, you got your own shit going on. I'm up here, you know. Yeah, you my first love and all, but I can't do this. I just can't. As far as now, the last time I've heard from him was shortly after I got married. He contacted me and he's like, hey, you know, how you doing? Is he doing right? You know. And I'm like, yeah, what you worry about it for? And he claimed he was just checking in with me, checking on me to see how I was doing. And of course, he asked me to check out his mixtape. And I was like, yeah, okay, whatever. So yeah, that's my story of being a side chick. This story is kind of brief because the shit happened kind of fast. We were only like re-dating for maybe like a month or two. So yeah, we didn't really do that much other than text and talk on the damn phone. If y'all want background story of our 2-year relationship and what happened with that, details of how we met, shit like that, just let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know, hey bitch, I listened to your story time. Yeah, that'll make my day. Just know you sat through this whole fucking video, because yeah. So thank y'all again for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.